Okay, here is an absolutely sick 1959 Corvette. This thing is crazy. It's built, it looks like it's built for the drag strip. You'll see the wheelie bars in the back in a second. And it's a convertible. Alright. There's your wheelie bars. That is crazy. Look at the size of those rear tires. Alright, there's the other side. Okay, here's the information on it. It's going for $89,000. It's got the 454 V8, 5-speed manual transmission. It's got the Traumatic 5-speed manual. Dana 60, 410 axle. Very nice. Okay, here we have a 1964 Corvette. Okay, this one's going for $69,900. Got the 327 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-speed manual. It's got the numbers matching 300 horsepower 327. The correct Muncie M20 manual transmission. Okay, here's the back side. Alright, here's a shot of the interior. Tell you one thing, it's pretty quiet in this place today. I remember the first time I came out here, it was loud. I had to remove 90% of the audio from the recording because there was too much noise going on. Okay, here's a 66 Corvette. Got the matching blue interior. Very nice. I love these Corvettes. Okay, here's the information. It's going for $77,500. It's got the 327 V8 L79 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. And the color is Nassau blue. It's got the numbers matching 327, numbers matching Muncie M20 manual transmission. Long-term ownership. It's got the 370 posi axle. Nice. Okay, this looks like it's got a bunch of Corvettes in here, about 10 of them. So we'll take a look at them. See what's going on. Here's a 1977 Corvette. It's got the 350 underneath the hood and an automatic TH350 transmission. And you got your T-tops. You got a couple nicks in the front. But as you'll see in a second, the price reflects that. It's a good price, I think, for the car. Okay, here's the interior. It's like a brown leather. Pretty good shape. Okay, here's the back end. And like I said, the paint is chipping off the back here. But you got yourself a good, solid Vette here. You can drive it the way it is, or get it painted.
Is it just me? Do you feel the same? Were you up all night thinking you should maybe go your own way, or should we stay?
Okay, this one's going for $11,000. And like I said, it's got the 350 cubic inch, 3-speed automatic. Numbers matching 350 engine. They just installed a camshaft and new engine seals, new ball joints. So they did some work to it. They kept it up. Very nice. Okay, here's a 79 Corvette. And it's got the 350 underneath the hood.
We should head back to our old place in the faraway town where I met you, baby. I have cried many times over you, sleepless nights.
It's got the T-tops. And this one's going for $24,000. Got the 350 V8. 4-speed manual transmission. It's got the numbers matching engine and transmission. Okay, this has got like the tan interior. Okay, here's another 1979 Corvette. It's got some seat covers on there. Okay, and here's the back end. Okay, let's take a look at the information. Alright, this is another one going for $12,000. Got the 350 V8 3-speed automatic. Okay, here's a 1976 Corvette. Okay, this one's going for $20,900. And again, it's got the 350 V8, 3-speed automatic. It's got the smoke gray interior. Okay, here's a 1974 Corvette. And this one's going for $21,900. And again, the 350 V8, 4-speed manual. It's got 45,719 actual miles on it, with the numbers matching V8 engine and transmission. Here's a 1978 Corvette, and I think this is the nicest one in this room by far. It's in great shape. Paint looks nice. Nice wheels and tires. Okay, this one's going for $28,000. 350 V8, 3-speed automatic. And the color is classic white with a dark blue interior. It's got the TH400 automatic transmission. It's a very nice car. And there's your dark blue interior. Very nice. Very good shape. We took care of this one.